guys. Today's video is going to be a little different. There will be no cars in today's video. Shocking, I know. Today I'm going to be falling on my face a lot, and I figured, you know, why not film it, right? I'm actually going to be doing some stunt training with Action Factory. They're one of the leading stunt producers, coordinators for all types of movies, commercials. I've always wanted to try it out. I'm actually really excited. We're going to be practicing some wire work. If you've seen the scenes in movies where an explosion happens and the people like fly back, or even in the Wonder Woman movie when she's like flying up in the air, like landing really strong and like goes into a fight scene. All of that stuff is done with rigging and wiring. My friend Callie is gonna be going through this with me. She actually already does some stunt doubling, and she's an actress. She's also a stunt driver, all around badass. Today's gonna be fun. I really wanted to bring you guys along, and I honestly have no idea what to expect. I really have no idea what we're gonna be doing. I was just given the opportunity to be here, and I'm here. I'm showing up. Oh, hi! It's okay. She went to the wrong place, but we're here now. Hello! Are you excited to fall on your face today?
Yeah, well, hopefully not on my face.
I'm prepared. What do you think we're gonna do?
It's like Naoki's class. It depends on our skill level, how far
that's
we'll go. Should probably stretch.
So I'm like not flexible at all. Well, just FYI. And I was watching some of the videos of how people like kicked and land. Yeah. I can't even like.
I am, but I haven't like stretched or been doing yoga. I'm unflexible for me, but I know to the normal person, it's like that's more than what they can do. I'm like, oh, it's so stiff, and everything's really tight.
I can't even touch my toes. It's really bad.
Right.
Okay, Callie. All right. All right, Callie. I knew we'd be signing our life away, yeah, but this is like one of the thickest liability forms I've ever seen. Like this is a packet. This is like a liability packet. Oh my god.
Yeah. Like if you guys are friends and you watch her like break her leg and her bone goes.
Oh my god, no! Don't say that.
Anymore. You can't sue us for mental anguish.
Traumatized.
Okay. Okay, now we're official. We got the shirts on.
Same hairdo as you.
So you know what you're doing. You know how to put a harness on?
Well, I used to do like indoor rock climbing, not outdoor. There's a difference. I liked the colorful blocks. This is a joke, right?
Alright, now I'll pose next time. Oh my gosh, that's funny.
Ready? And 3, 2, 1, action. 3, 2, 1, action. 2, 1, action.
Nice.
See how that changed? Action.
Yeah, I muscled it.
Can I just warm up first hanging and then do something faster? Like do a full flip faster?
Let's see. We
Oh
want to see
no!
you struggle
I
too.
love it. It's like
I
that.
We want to see you
No.
Oh no!
You get calm too.
I don't know what's gonna happen right now.
3, 2, 1, action.
Oh!
There you go.
I don't know what I did.
Action.
Oh! Okay, forward's harder.
Action. Action.
I think I'm spinning too fast now, right? Oh, like run? Oh.
3, 2, 1, action.
Oh, biscuit.
I know what's happening. I just looked right
You're like, why am I here?
Okay, let me.
Good. Put that foot back there. Great.
Wait, okay,
What?
I'm ready.
What? Yeah. And action. Yeah. That's awesome. And then you stand up and you fight her. That's you know. Action. Action.
I know, I'm like.
Action. See? So, what did you do that just there? She's all no.
I was a little bit, but I
No,
tried
it's
to
good. You
back
can
up.
actually action. Action. Ah, there you go. Yeah.
There we go.
Let's go.
Action. 2, 1, action. 1, action. 2, 1, action.
The static girl like hair.
Oh!
1, action.
I was spotted Collete. I was like, what's up, girl?
I've been moving, calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you love me.
I'm not ready.
Yes.
All your butts on one side.
Right?
You're gonna go that direction. So
Everybody
put
feels that way, don't worry.
long ways and put 2 more.
God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't. I feel good with it.
And 3, 2, 1.
Like a pinata.
Good.
Yeah.
Felt good.
They love them instead of me. And still
3, 2, 1. Action.
dance.
See how that felt better?
Yeah. I didn't feel like it go up as much.
Two, one, action.
Hey, she say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my cat and my snowboard, I'm sorry. 93, I even got it tatted on me. 2012, lady, I'm not feeling sorry. And you know me.
We promise everything's gonna be fine.
Holler back at me in 2023. Line you bitches up from the nosebleeds, yeah. God's plan.
3, 2,
God's
1,
plan.
action.
I can't do this on my own.
1.
Holding down Colorado.
3, 2, 1, action.
I hope one day they see me, yeah. Summer dropping my EP. And still bad things, there's a lot of bad things. They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish.
3, 2, 1, action.
Yeah, it's a wrap. Yeah. That was so awesome.
It's the hardest, I feel.
Which
like.
one?
That, like, the suspended, just doing it yourself.
Oh yeah. Bye, Callie. That's a wrap. Yeah. All right, you guys. That was so freaking awesome. I have to go through the footage and see what we got. We obviously had to pay attention to the training. Man, I loved it. I think my favorite part was the harness work where you're hanging and you like take steps forward and do like a backflip, and then eventually you would land and do like a fight sequence or something. That was my favorite. And then the wrap where you like unwrapped and spun. Those are the coolest things ever. This is a really awesome glimpse into rigging and wire work for the stunt industry, and I absolutely hope I get to come back and train further and get into some advanced stuff and do some like full-on fight scenes, explosion scenes. This was so awesome. Huge thank you to Brian for the invite. Thank you to Action Factory. It was so awesome to learn from them, and I cannot wait to come back.
Started my week on a Sunday, they think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy.